Let me show you. Let's go there. The nature becomes the entity. You have to expect the unexpected. Enjoy the journey. Bye. Hello everybody. My name is Ujarneq Fleischer and I just arrived to Ujarneq. Let's go inside. We still have a lot of time to get some lunch before we leave. Let's get some lunch. I know that the weather conditions here in Greenland are very unpredictable. So that's why I have this app, if everything should not go as planned. This app provides you all the information about your flight plan. And this is how it works. And it's called Check My Trip. You push the Check My Trip app and you put your flight tickets here. Add My Trip. And you put your reservation number here and your name. First name and the last name, and add it to your trip. So I'm going to show you mine. Right here you can see my trip. If you push this one, all the information about your flight will be here, including your booking status and the flight number and the date and time. So remember this one. Put your name in this app correctly. I know that the weather conditions here in Greenland are very unpredictable. If my flight is delayed, Check My Trip will notify me. Depending on how many hours or how many minutes my flight is delayed, Air Greenland will provide me food ticket. And if my flight is cancelled, Air Greenland will provide me transportation ticket plus housing for a day. Well, back to my lunch and let the time fly. The weather conditions here in Ujarneq has changed. Check this out. It has changed from sunny to snowy like this. I just got notified from my Check My Trip app that my flight is delayed. I need more further information about my flight. Hi.
Hi.
Timnatto atattusma pingasunu sumukilippa.
Ayaw alawat mi sila ayaw mga takot siya looking white to kabawat. Maktinubasi sa kasam.
Oh, Queen.
Ikik.
She just told me that my flight is delayed because of the weather conditions. So further information is about an hour. The staff and the crew are doing their best to make my flight possible. I mean, I know they're doing their best and they're gonna make it possible. I started to thought about leaving today, but look at me now. I'm on my way to the plane. So here's a good phrase to let you know about traveling in Greenland. You can't control the nature. You have to expect the unexpected.